G'day mates, it's me, Bogart the Explorer from Davao City, and today is actually a rare occasion because it's a free day. I don't have work, I don't have anything scheduled. It's not going to be a problem though, because I go where my feet take me, because that's just me, and I'm an explorer. Things will just go. Whoa, jogger. I guess that's one way to move. I mean, we explorers, we love to take things further. Oh man, alright, go. It's hard running, mate. Running. We love going further, further and further. You know, I was born jogging. A lot of people adapted to it, but I was actually born a jogger. Just a shorter breath. Oh, hey. I guess that's one way to move further. And faster too. Come on. Kuya. Oh, ganda ng bike mo ah. Ano yun? Yun oh. Tawagan niya. Okay na, ako na hawak nito. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, mates, so I've been walking for a couple of hours now with my bicycle here, and I just realised that two wheels just isn't going to cut it. Pedal power has got to give way for horsepower. Because I need to recharge probably for 8 more hours, unlike my phone. That's fast charging. Oi! Oi!
Saan punta? Lakbay?
Jan!
Uy, may power bank ka ba? Pa-charge naman.
But only if you give me a lift.
Sure!
Yeah?
Tara!
Okay. Where am I gonna put this? Bay! Pwede ba hawak? Yan, hawakan mo lang. Parang ganun. Yan. Yan, okay na yan. Ikot ka dyan. You know what, mate? I guess there's just something extremely satisfying about reverse charging a power bank with my phone.
Wait, your phone?
Yes, I'm charging the power bank with my phone. Check it out.
My phone.
Wait a tick! Is that an Asus Zenfone 4 Max?
Yes, it is.
If I have a phone that charges phones, and you got a phone that charges phones, if we take this out from the power bank and plug it into your phone, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Infinite power! Oh wait, no, it's just charging one phone at a time.
Yeah, okay. Yo, are we there yet?
Actually, nandiyan na lang yun eh, oh. Tunahan, konti. Nandiyan na lang.
Okay.
I can even see it, I think.
Yo, are we there yet?
You see that, pare? You see that there?
Okay.
You see it? Good. Not there. Ano pa? Doon pa sa unahan. Konti na lang talaga. Konti na lang, mga 5 hours away. Ooh, sleepy.
Yo, are we there yet?
Yes, man, we are. We are. After that, you see? And then, after that, meron pa sigurong mga, isang kaliwa. Tapos, mga diretso ng konti. Tas, kanan ng mga malayo konti. Tapos, after ng kaliwa ng sobrang layo. Tapos nun,
Oh my God.
malapit na tayo sa umpisa ng biyahe natin. Bye! And we have arrived. Check it out. We found a sign right here. It says, "Welcome to Tene." And this is the Ranak Falls, baby. And the falls is, according to this, with the arrow, it's that way. So we're going this way to the secondary falls. I'm at the second waterfall on top of the Ranak. And a lot of people know this place, but they don't really want to venture out further. That's because of two reasons. One is they cost $100 more to get in here. And second, well, it's a little bit further up. But what a lot of people don't realize is the best views come after the toughest climbs. Whoa! This place is... Check out this water. Shallow, good for the kids. Time to feel it. Check out the temperature. It's a bit cold. And then waterfalls all the way out there. Multiple small waterfalls. But hey, hold on a second. What's that one? What's that over there? That's another waterfall with its own pond. And it's over. Okay, mate, so I guess that's it for me today. I've gone as far as my feet can take me. And as we all know, all great adventures must come to an end. Luckily, I'm equipped with a phone with power that lasts. I mean, it can practically go for 10 more adventures. But look, it's the bike guy. You came after me. Intanay. You're looking for your bike. Daryl, what's that? What's that? You know.